Hey chocolatiers, it's your girl Jania Renee, and how you doing today? So right now I'm coming at y'all with this green look, okay? Let me just get into that, okay? And yeah, since St. Patty's Day is this weekend when I'm recording it, and I think today is like the 12th, and March 12th to be exact. And so I just wanted to give y'all something green, something slimy, okay, something lucky, whatever you want to call it, toxic, all of that. So I just did a simple cut crease with a bright neon green in my inner tear duct. And I just kept the face really just neutral, cool toned in a way. So that's what I'm coming at y'all with. And if you want to know who did my braids and slayed it, honey, I will tag her below on Instagram. She did her thing, and it's my girl. So if you're in the Detroit area, hit her up. But if you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. If I told you, if I told you, if I told you, beautiful, beautiful. If I told you, beautiful, beautiful. If I told you, beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful. Beautiful, 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 thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. It was sped through, nothing really of me talking really. It was just me doing my makeup. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you know, while you at it, you might as well pick on a video. It's like right there, like literally right here. Right. Click on it. You know, binge watch me. Enjoy it. Oh, get into that melanin. Do you see that, sis? Okay, dude. But really, this clip, this anything, everything. I love you forever. Okay, stay golden.